Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can calculate trigonometry on your iPad calculator. The first step is to open the calculator app. Then from here, ensure that your calculator is set to scientific. Once you've done that, you can now start calculating your trigonometry. So when it comes to the iPad calculator, or to an iPhone calculator as well, calculating trigonometry is slightly different. The first step is to input the angle. So if the angle is, say, 98 degrees, you'll type it in. Then you can choose either sine, cos, or tan. And once you've chosen that, now you can give your multiplier. So if you're multiplying by, say, 8, then you'll tap on the equal sign and you'll get your figure. So it will be the same thing. If you choose sine, you give your angle, you choose one of the three, multiplier, then your equal sign. So if you're calculating inverse tangents, sines, or cos, then it's different. The first step is to give the two sides. So for example, if two sides are set to 14, and then the other side is set to 26, you would do 14 divided by 26, then you get your answer. Once you've gotten your answer, then it's time to put the inverse. So you'll notice that these are not switched to inverse. And if you want to switch to the inverse side, tap on second on your calculator. Then you should see inverse sine, inverse con, and inverse tan. So tap on any of the options. Then once you've selected your inverse, give your multiplier, and then equal sign, and then you get your figure. So it's the same thing if you choose inverse sine. First, you give your numbers divided by 3, 14 divided by 3, get your figure. Then choose inverse sine, inverse con, inverse tan, times by, and then your multiplier. Like that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.